Hey everyone, in this video, I'll walk you through how to trade on Finelo. Let's get started. So what is Finelo? It is a trading education and guidance platform designed to help beginners and intermediate traders learn how to trade smarter using structured lessons, strategies, and market insights. To create a Finelo account, first open your browser and go to Finelo's official website. And here click sign up or you can log in. And here you'll land the Finelo dashboard. And inside the dashboard, you can explore and you'll see the learning path, strategies of trading, market insights, practice or guided trading tools. Now you can select the market that you want to trade, such as stocks, crypto, forex, indices. The Finilo will guide you through the basics and show you how trades are structured. And Finelo focus on education first. You'll see explanation for entry points, risky management, stop loss, and take profit and market trends. You can follow the lessons carefully before placing the real trades. And once you're confident, you can apply what you have learned with demo trading or by connecting your own broker. You can also track progress and improve, and Finelo helps you to review your trades, learn from mistakes, and improve your strategy. And that's how you trade on Finelo in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.